Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule an event. Start by entering the event title. Make sure to fill up all the required fields before proceeding ahead. Next, enter the event start date and end date. Then add the start time and end time for your event, followed by the description of the event. Next, upload a single media file, either an image or a video, to visually represent your event. If applicable, add a button text and button link to redirect users for registrations or additional information. Once all details are added, click on the Schedule Event button to open up the Schedule pop-up where you can configure your timings. First, select the appropriate time zone from the drop-down by searching and choosing the one you need. Now, pick the event date and time. Carefully review the selected date and time before confirming. After verification, click on the Schedule button to finalize scheduling the event. Your event is now scheduled successfully in SmartPost for Google Business Pro. You can view and manage it by clicking the View button. In the next video, we'll walk you through how to schedule an offer. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.